Hi, it's Amber from Sweet Am's Cookies. Let me show you how I made these adorable snow globe shaker cookies with Domino sugar. I'm making my cookie dough with a cup of softened butter and a cup of Domino Golden Sugar. You'll want to mix the butter and sugar on medium speed for about 2 minutes. I added 1 egg, vanilla and almond extract, and the dry ingredients. Mix everything on low speed until it forms a dough. I put the dough in the refrigerator to chill and then rolled it out to a 1/4 inch thick before cutting my cookies. And these will go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. To make the sugar windows, I boiled sugar, water, and lemon juice until it reached 300 degrees and poured it into the baked cookie rings. And I'm gonna let them cool completely before I put them on my snow globe cookies. I'm making my royal icing to decorate the cookies with Domino powdered sugar, meringue powder, water, and vanilla extract. Your royal icing should hold a peak like this when it's done. Then you'll add a teaspoon of water at a time to thin it down. If you take a scoop of icing out of the bowl and drop it back in, it should take about 25 to 30 seconds to be completely smooth. I'm going to separate a 1/4 cup of icing and set it aside. The rest of the icing I'm splitting equally between 4 containers, and I'm going to color it with gel food coloring. Now I'm filling my decorating bags and tying a knot at the top. And then you can go ahead and decorate your cookies. Once your cookies are iced and dry, you can assemble them and make sure to put some sprinkles inside before you put your sugar window on top. I had so much fun making these adorable snow globe shaker cookies with Domino sugar, and I hope I inspired you to bake some cookies. For more recipes, you can visit dominosugar.com. Thanks for watching. Bye!